Hello everyone. In this video we are going to write a program on event management where we are going to implement the package thing. So the first one, we are going to make a package called invitation card. Here we are going to make a class called detail Java. So here basically we are going to make a event management for an anniversary ceremony. So for the first one, for the first package named as invitation card, we are going to make a class called detail.java. So here we are going to add objects like make string variables person 1, person 2, month, venue, address, the following whatever is required. Now we are going to make a method called enter detail where we are going to enter the name of the couple here. Next we are going to enter the day of celebration in day, month and year order. So day, month and year would be entered. Then we are going to enter the number of anniversary year value. So we are going to enter that, and also nonetheless the venue and its address where the ceremony is going to take place. So we are going to give our input for venue and address. The next method would be display card. So here we are going to display all the details that has been entered on an invitation card. We are going to design an invitation card where all the necessary details that has been entered is been mentioned in that card. So here we have made accommodation for that too. So this is one package. The next package would be the reservation. In package reservation we are going to make a class called invitation. Here in invitation we are going to make a method named people detail. Here we are going to enter the number of people to be invited. After entering the number of people to be invited, we are going to enter that person's name and its particular address from where they are coming. The main motive is so that the invitation card is to be sent to the following person and the right address. So for that we are going to enter the person's name and address one by one. So name and address would be entered. So after that we are going to make another method where the guest list can be shown. Here method guest list. So here we are going to just, in this guest list it's going to just display the name of those people who have been invited, and in another method send card we are going to display the same, but in this one we are going to display the address along with the following the particular people whose concerned address. So this is one package. The next package would be buffet. In buffet package we are going to make a class called menu card. In menu card we are going to design a menu array, a string dish. So here we are going to enter the following dishes, and we are going to ask the party which is concerned to select the food which they want to be served in that ceremony. So in that ceremony whatever food is to be needed to be served, we are going to select that in we are going to implement the switch case method. So in using switch case we are going to make it, and then after that in the method called menu select we are going to just display the dishes that have been selected. So here we are going to, in the test class we are going to see the test.java. We are going to make the new object for detail, invitation and menu card class. So we are going to call all the methods, and now we are going to run it. So here we can see it. So enter the name of the couple one by one after the other. So we're going to enter John and Mary. Enter the day of celebration. So it would be, date would be 3 December 2017. This is the date on which it should be celebrated. Anniversary year value will make it 16. Mention the venue and address. We are going to make the venue and its address. So this is the address. So after giving the following things, we're going to see, please join us for dinner and whatever, and we are going to make an invitation card using all the details which has been entered here. So now we are going to see check the number of people that are needed to be invited. We are going to invite, let's give it 3 for this checking the runnability of the program. We're going 3. Now enter the person's name one by one. We're going to make giving some random things. So the person's name and its address would be given by followed. We gave it, so 1 is done. So after giving it, we can see the guest list, so who have been invited. So the 3 names are there, and for the send card method, we are going to see the name and the address has been mentioned together. So now we're coming back to the buffet where we are going to select the menu. So all these are been there, so we have to just enter the choices which we need to select. So we're going to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to select T, so number 2, so we'll give 2. So it shows T selected. So we do want to add more dish, we're going to press 1 for yes. So enter choice, we're going to give 1. So coffee is selected. Now we don't want to add any more dish, we'll just press anything else. So it shows the dishes you have selected are these 2. Only a maximum of 10 dishes can be selected for serving it. So with this we have showed how the event management has been done. So with this I'm going to conclude my video. So thank you for watching.